Hey folks, Pat the Gutter Rat here. So we are looking today at this is a 6-inch ADS corrugated pipe. It's a drainage pipe for underground. And in this particular case, a townhouse complex uses this as the common drain, and then the downspouts feed into it. So they drain into a detention pond, or some people call them retention ponds. Anyway, the water goes into a divot in the ground essentially, and the water goes there, and it's kind of a holding area until it dissipates into the ground. They put some cypress trees, which is not a great idea if they're not maintained. And then to make matters worse, the air conditioner lines drained into here. So this thing was being fed all day, every day, probably 50 gallons of water between the air conditioner lines and then your rain. So over about probably 10 years, this has become, just this piece here, this is probably 50 pounds. So I'm going to cut it open because a lot of people, you don't see it, you don't know what it is until you actually pull it apart. That's some of the root system. But what we found here is it's cypress roots and cypress knees were growing. So I'm going to cut it open. All right, so take a look. Roof granules, just heavy amount. And then that's the bottom of the pipe. And that is probably right there, 40 pounds. All roots. So obviously it's being fed a little bit of organic matter and then a whole bunch of roof debris as far as granules. So that thing's healthy. And one thing that's not coming through here is water. So if you have these problems, give us a call, Pat the Gutter Rat. We keep the water flowing.